Hey guys, it's Calvin here. Let's go over the daily chart close on some of these indexes and some leading stocks. First, let's go over the broader markets. Wow, what a great rally today, guys. Pretty much led by the Dow and the S&P, and the lagger was the Qs, obviously because of Apple and Google. But what a great, impressive rally today, guys. On an election week, pretty much all the market really wants just a clear-cut winner. Markets hates this uncertainty. It clearly showed back in 2000 when the Gore administration and George W. Bush, that was a crazy sell-off because of the deadlock that was going on at that time. So we certainly do not want a repeat of the 2000 election campaign. So that's. But I'm hearing mixed messages. I'm hearing in CNBC if Obama wins, we're going to drop, and if Romney wins, we're going to get a rally. But there's also statistics showing that usually bull markets that lead into an election, the incumbent is favorable. So there are mixed messages, guys, and we're just going to have to see how it all plays out. So, okay, this is Apple, guys, on a daily chart. Right now, looking not too great, guys. We never confirmed below the 200-day moving average, but we are consolidating below it, and we are not getting above the 200-day moving average, which has to be noted as a side of caution, guys. This chart is not looking very pretty at all. Let's look at intraday, guys, and see what kind of action we got in Apple. Pretty much weak throughout the entire day on a strong market. So that has to be noted for sure. We did break out this triangle that I mentioned before. We back tested it, bounced, but then we closed below this trend line here, guys, and we tried to retest, try to get back above it. I'm not sure, we're like pretty much right on that trend line, guys. So we're gonna have to see where this plays out, guys. Apple's not looking that great, but as you guys know, I'm very safe in my trades. Just have to watch the next level. These are our next point of reference, guys. This pivot right here, guys, at the, I believe, the 578-ish level, and then ultimately the double bottom at 574. If this breaks, guys, we have to watch on the daily chart and see where our next levels are. The measured move does take us to the red line, guys. Roughly in the 568 to 570 is your next target based off all these pivots, guys, on the daily chart. That's got to hold, guys, and that is your next spot. It's not too far away, guys, and also have a gap fill right around that level as well. So this is the red line, the white line is what I'm looking for, and ultimately the 550 must hold. I actually did add more positions today. The timing was not great. It was just pretty much a safe trade where I knew it would all play out, and just hopefully from more free money this week. But I did enter the trade up nicely on it. So as you can see right here, guys, I added a few more contracts here. Quite a big position, but I think ultimately, like I said, guys, the 50-week moving average should hold this week. If you look at the weekly chart, based on a time count, this thing is ready to go. It should pause with a doji candle here for the week. But let's look at the weekly chart, guys, really quick. This is a really good setup actually to go long, in my opinion, guys. This has been pretty much decimated for all like 7. This is a nice time count here, guys. And if this closes with a doji, that could be a sign that this wants to reverse, okay, guys? And we can get a nice bounce back above 600, maybe into these moving averages to 630 level, okay? So that has to be watched, guys. Just know your next levels, guys. Every support resistance are just references. You just got to know how to trade the levels and read price action, okay, guys? Let's look at the SPY, guys. Pretty much strong the entire day, held its gains. Let's look at the daily chart. Let me pull up the daily chart right here, guys. Right, we ended it with kind of a doji candle. That's not what you really want to see. This was good resistance, okay? Double top and a retest of these moving averages. But usually on a second hit, I like to stay away. But that would have been a great shorting opportunity, guys. We have a death cross right here, guys, right into this double top, guys. Rallied right into it. That would have been a nice sell right there. Beautiful stuff, guys, right there. Because we are having a downtrend starting, guys. So if we stay below these moving averages, the chart is starting to look weaker and weaker every day. We have to get above that in the near term soon if this chart wants to recover. Let's see what we have here. We are trading. Like I said, we tested this double top, guys, and we're pulling back, but not too crazy here. I mean, still if we get a bullish pattern here, consolidate, we could go higher. Just have to know the levels, guys. We are above this range. We did break above this range, and we're holding. As long as we hold this level here, guys, at the 142, I think there's possible more upside. So we have to watch that, guys. Let's go to let's look at the Qs. This would be the lagger, obviously, because of Google and Apple today. We're pretty weak all across the board, but we did nonetheless. We did end positive. I think there was some strength in Amazon. And Amazon, guys, I've been telling you how I like the Amazon chart. Pretty much staying in the same range, guys. And we hit, that's actually a nice sell as well. Double top, same level, guys, right here on the Qs. We could have done with a nice sell. And now we're ending with a doji candle right here. Let's go to Amazon, guys. As you guys remember, I called out the setup. I believe we're getting a nice follow through. And we're pretty much exactly, guys. I called this out, guys. The first resistance would be the double top here. Not quite, so maybe a little bit more upside, but this would be your first target, guys. Double top here with the 20-day moving down. So that would have been a great setup if you guys caught that in my video. Look at Google. Google is relatively weak as well compared to the broader markets. Let's look at the daily chart. We still should be trading, we're still trading in this range, guys. If this is bearish consolidation, guys, watch out below. That would not be a pretty thing on Google, guys. This is not a great pattern right here, guys. This is a bearish flag, so we have to be very careful. The 200-day will be weak based off a measured move, so this would probably pause here, but have to be watched very carefully. Do have secondary factors, though. We have this breakout area right here, guys. This last pivot, breakout, 200-day moving average. That still will be great support, guys. So that has to be watched carefully at the 630 level. Okay, let's look. Is there anything else I want to look at, guys? We could look at, let's look at the IWM just really quick, just scanning around, guys. Everything across the boards was pretty good. Actually, the IWM was relatively strong today as well. Closed near the highs of the day. Looks pretty decent. Well, we'll just have to see how everything pans out, guys. Right now, the election's almost over. A few hours, we'll get the count, and hopefully by Wednesday, we'll get a clear winner so we can get all the uncertainty out of the way and take care of the fiscal cliff and get ready for the new year. And I think that's everything I want to talk about, guys. I hope you guys had a great trading day. I certainly did, guys. I'm swimming in more profits, guys, again today. Absolutely beautiful. Like always, stress-free money. Apple was actually down today, but I was still up significantly in profits. So a great day, guys. I hope you guys are having a great day as well. I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Talk to you later.